Good morning, Adisorn Yimsuk. Welcome to the chat session for Eurasia Research. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Good morning.
Good morning. It is our pleasure to welcome you. We are really grateful to have you today.
Yes.
So we will start with the chat session. Uh, so I would like to know a little bit about your academic profile, your brief bio, and brief about the research that you presented at the conference.
Well, okay. My name is Adisorn Yimsuk. I'm a graduate student of Mahidol University in Information and Technology Management or IT Management. My research I did about a policy model. This model help a policymaker to evaluate a policy strengths and weaknesses, and but by including the investor perspectives is one of the new parameters that we would like to include to reflect the level of impact after policy announcements. Like it has we would like to see the impact levels on the stock market. It's gonna be this model gonna be help a policymaker to notice in early stage about the strengths and weaknesses of the policy, including the investor perspective, investor sentiments. That's about my research.
Okay. So really good to know about your research. So my next question to you is, what was your motivation during COVID to carry out your research and participate in the conference?
Well, for my motivation, during the COVID-19, we got the new normal, like working remotely online meeting and long distance classroom and etc. Everything new for us, and at that time, I would like to to help a policymaker to analyze a policy, because we think the policy is really important. It's like the large scale implementation, and my research topic has the purpose to provide policy tool to help them in this situation, to handle in this situation, and we expect that this policy model support them to to notice the strengths and weaknesses as much as possible. That's our motivation to carry this research during the pandemic. And for the conference, we like to present our work to other researchers as much as possible, and get the feedbacks from them to our future work.
So, all right, moving ahead with the next question. What is your opinion on attending an online conference rather than a physical one?
Well, I think the online conference has many benefits, many advantages. The first reason is reducing, for sure, is to reduce the spending rate. Because we will attend by online without the face-to-face. And the second reason is I think it's more convenient for me. For example, in my case, after I finished the master at Mahidol University, after that I continue the second master in Japan right now. So I think online looks more suitable for my situation. Because it provides the accessibility. I can attend anywhere, anytime. And another reason is cost effectiveness. It's like I think it's cheaper than the physical one compared to that one. And I can attend without the interruption of my study as well. I think this is the best for me.
Okay. So, would you suggest encouraging your friends and colleagues to attend the conference online?
Definitely, yes. I will suggest them to participate at least one, to experience the presentation by online style. It's different from face-to-face presentation. But I think in my experience, I think I could feel like excited as the face-to-face presentation, even online. So yes, I will suggest them to have this kind of experience. Yes.
So, what is your positive feedback about the conference?
Oh, well, I think what I like from the conference is discussion sections. This is like active communication. It encouraged me with the topic to think in various ideas, and I think this section highly enhanced my communication skill so much. And for the online, I mean, it can provide the opportunity to exchange my work and receive the good feedback to improve my future work as well.
Okay. So, thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. And thank you so much for attending this chat session. We are really honored to have you with us, and it will be a great pleasure to see you at our future conferences as well.
Me too. Thank you. Really, really thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.